Hey guys, James Paradise here. We are in Mexico on the Caribbean Sea. Right down the block here, one beach. We're on the Caribbean Ocean. It's beautiful here. We're in the Caribbean. And we are getting some chicken tonight. Check this out. Check out all the chicken there that they're making. Rotisserie. It's called rotisserie pollo, which is rotisserie chicken, right?
Rotisseria, not rotisserie.
Well, it's rotisserie.
Yeah.
Rotisserio. How do you say it in Spanish?
Rotisseria.
Espanol.
Rotisseria.
Rotisseria. In English, we say rotisserie. And it is amazing. Look at that. Look at all that chicken. And then you get some of these little taco things right here. Amazing food. This is some of the best food in the world. And we are here. I've been traveling the world for almost 3 years now. And I'm stuck in the Caribbean right now. So if you guys want to learn how to do what I do, I travel the world, I make money online. How do I make money online? It's really simple, guys. I have the #1 system in the world. I learned this from a multimillionaire, and he showed me exactly what to do. And I paid him a lot of money to show me what to do. And it's really simple. You got to listen to me, okay? Stop watching thousands of videos and trying to get all these subscribers on YouTube and trying to build your Instagram page. That's all good stuff, but you need to make money. I'm talking to people right now who are older. You're in your 40s and your 50s, maybe your 60s, and you need another source of income. I have it right now. Watch. I will show you how to post one ad, sell one product, and make money. It's 2 steps. Watch. It's that simple. Now, there's a lot of things we got to do to set this up online. But I'll show you how to work from your phone. I'm working on my phone. Look at all these people here. Look at this. Crazy. Very busy. Ordering. This is one of the best foods in Playa del Carmen right here. Numero uno. Excelente. Okay? I will show you, very simple, how to look at all that chicken. And they are busy 24 hours, 7 days a week. The beach is right there. We're in the Caribbean, right? All right, baby. Tell them, oh, we got a bag. We got a bag full of food. We're going to take this food home. We're going to watch a little TV. But I'm going to show you how to do one thing, and then we got to get a taxi. Baby, find a taxi. Taxi. Okay? Post one ad on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. All the apps that you're using right now, but you're not making any money. You're not making any money. I know you're not. 99% of the people I talk to every day, you're not making money online. If you are making money online, you're not making enough. If you're not making at least $1,000 a day, listen to Super Coach James, James Paradise. Listen, I will show you how to post one ad. We gotta go. We got a taxi? We gotta go. We gotta go. Hold on. Post one ad. People will buy a product. 2 steps, and you make money. $1,000 a day. Now, we might have to sell 10, 12, 15, 20 products a day, but I'll show you how to do it, and it's automatic. People pay you automatically into your PayPal account, Stripe account. I've got 15 different ways to make money. 15 different ways. If you want to learn those different ways, don't waste any more time. In the link in the description below, all I want you to do is send me your name, your mobile number, your country code, and your mobile. I do this all over the world. I have people contacting me in 65 countries. I do this all over the world, guys. And I've been doing this for 3-4 years. I will show you how to make money. I'm serious. Don't waste your time. Stop watching videos. Stop taking all these training courses. You're wasting your time. In 1 hour, in one day, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 day. Sorry, that's my middle. Sorry. 1 hour.
Hello.
In 1 hour. Hola, ¿cómo estás? In 1 hour. See, everybody's friendly here. We're in the Caribbean. Everybody's having a great time. 1 hour, 1 day. I show you how to make money. Send me your info below. Let's get on a live call. I promise you, guarantee. I guarantee it. No charge. I don't even charge. Check out my friend here. Look at the dog. He's waiting for food. Okay? I guarantee it. You will make money with me. I guarantee it. If you don't make money with me, you don't pay me. In fact, I don't even charge. What am I talking about? I will show you how to do this for free. And then if you make money, I'll show you how to make money with me. Sell $10,000 worth of products in a week and I'll pay you half. You sell my product. I have a product. I'll show you what it is. But I need to get you on a phone call. I'm not just going to give it to you. I don't give anything away for free, except my training. I train you, I teach you, I coach you, I mentor you for free, and I show you how to sell my product, and we make money together. How about $30,000 a month? How about that? And I can show you proof. Send me your information below. I'll see you soon.